Hi friends, today we are passing challenging times in our life. With the COVID-19 outbreak, everything around us has changed. Usually, during difficult times, people look at life so negative. They think it is because of their karma or rather fate. People get frightened, demotivated, disappointed, and stressful. Some people sabotage them for no reason. They think they are so unlucky. They start to compare them with others and then devalue their abilities with so many justifications. They sometimes stop everything, put on hold, postpone, and become very pessimist. Wait for the good time to come. But remember, for pessimists, good time never comes. Winston Churchill once said, "A pessimist sees the difficulty in every opportunity, and an optimist sees the opportunity in every difficulty." It is your decision whether you want to see great opportunities in everything or to find difficulty in everything. Friends, life is a journey, but not an easy journey. Just look at a river. How long they travel to reach the ocean. Let's take River Mahavali, the longest river in the country. It starts as a very small water stream in Polvatura, somewhere in Nuvarelia, and travels more than 335 kilometers to reach the Bay of Bengal, somewhere in Trincomalee. The path of the Mahavali river is not so easy. It is very rough. There are so many barriers, but Mahavali keep on moving. River cuts through rocks not because of the power, but because of its persistence. You too must have that persistence in what you do. If you do not have the persistence in your action, you will not get the right results as you expect. Things around may change very rapidly. You will have good times, bad times, happy times, sad times. All are part and parcel of the life journey. But every challenge gives us a chance to learn something. That learning will give you more strength to look at life more optimistic. Just think about your hidden talents. Just think about your hidden skills. It's amazing. You are a unique person with many talents and abilities. Have you utilized those talents and abilities to add value to your life or someone else's life? Either if you fail in something you do or rejected by someone, you learn something amazing. That's an amazing lesson for us. Then you can do your next action differently to create a different results. The learnings from failures and rejections are key turning points in our life. Have you thought about it? If you need different results, if you need something which you have not experienced in your life before, you must do something new which you have not done before. Then the results will change. And also please be mindful, failures and rejections are rehearsals of success. Look at life optimistic. You need to commit to search for good things. Good things need extra effort, hard work, commitment, sacrifices, more dedications, etc. Look at the life lessons of successful people. They have gone through very tough times to become success in life. As we all know, now we all are passing a very challenging time. But As I told you, every challenge brings us opportunities. This pandemic, COVID-19 period also has many opportunities for an optimist. Find what talents and abilities are hidden in you. Believe yourself. Believe that you can do. Believe that you are the creator of your own destiny. No one will change your destiny, friends. It is you. You are the only one who can change your destiny. You must start to associate with people who are optimistic. If you talk to pessimist, he will dump all negativity and make it worse. Watch and listen to motivational speeches. It gives you courage to move forward amidst all challenges. You must realize that you are a very strong person. You must realize that there are so many hidden talents are there within you. You must realize you can change everything around you. Search for opportunities because actions are needed to get great results. Our mind is the most powerful tool. We must fill it with positive thoughts. We must believe in ourselves, and also we must have discipline, resilience, hard work, consistent. That will always bring betterment to our life. And also, very importantly, we must do things with a lot of passion. Passion always encourage, motivate us to do what we are doing. Then we will start to think very positive, then we'll start to feel positive. When we start to think positive, when we start to talk positive, things around us will change for our own betterment. Friends, keep hope. Tough times don't last. Tough times will change. But if you are a tough person, you will last forever. Enjoy every moment of your life because life is a celebration. Time gone is gone. So take the best out of your life and enjoy it, celebrate it. Finally, I want you to tell, please follow health precautions to prevent this pandemic. Stay safe, but do not stop your action. Move forward, keep hope, stay safe, and good luck. Stay happy. We'll meet you soon in another video.